Alright, let me try.
Put your nose over there, I told you.
Right here?
No.
Here?
That's why you don't have to be
You're so close.
No, try it. No, trust me. It's the best way. You can learn that in the army. Put your nose right there.
Alright.
You got it?
Yeah.
Go.
Did I hit anything?
Try to hit the can.
Where's the can?
On the left side.
I'm missing.